Do you have a pair of these dated nightstands and want to give them a more modern look? Then follow along and let me show you how. First, we have to remove these dated drawer pulls and give it a really good scrubbing with just some dish soap and hot water and rinse clean. Then sand off the old finish with 120 grit sandpaper and prime the entire piece. Then I went in with some paint. This is just farmhouse paint in the colored weather stone. And I wanted to do a faux finish, so I went in with some Java Brown Glaze by Rust-Oleum with a chip brush and smoothed it all out with this brush I got from the dollar store. I'm just wiping it on and wiping it off till I get a texture that I like. I'm gonna add new drawer pulls, so I mixed up this Bondo all-purpose putty and filled in the old holes. Once the Bondo was dry, I went and smoothed it all out and found placement of my new drawer pulls and drilled the holes. And to give these nightstands a wow factor and a surprise element, I'm just using some peel and stick wallpaper I found off of Amazon to line the drawers. And for the new drawer pulls, I found these antique gold knobs, and with my electric screwdriver, I just screwed them in. And here is the end result. I think this faux finish makes these nightstands look very modern, and these drawer liners are just the wow factor that's needed. And if you'd like to see more furniture flips, hit that subscribe button, and till next time.